All right. But the question you asked is such an easy response because once you stop looking at the individual industry and realize it always is going to come down to people. That's really what it comes down to. Believe it or not, the industry is secondary because whatever Darlene is doing, she's reaching a certain market, but it's still a market of people. It's still the same handshake. It's still not turning your head and looking at somebody in the eyes and telling them, you know, who you are and what you have to offer. Because at the end of the day, it could be trucking, it could be medical, it could be licensing, it could be cruising. It's still going to be people selling to people. And that's what we bring. That's why I don't look at that's why I will always say, I can get involved in any industry. You talk about trucking? Yeah, I've been in a truck before. You talk about mechanics? I had my brakes done. Right? You talk about medical? Yeah, I saw the doctor last week. Like, as people, we're attached to everything. Because if we weren't, you wouldn't be selling a service. You wouldn't be in business. Nobody gets into a business that nobody needs. Right? As much I hate to say, even manure. You would never think, who's in that? But people need manure. So we're in the business to give people services or products or whatever it is. But at the end of the day, end to end, it's a person that's selling it and there's a person that's buying it. Right? Even if it's a government agency, there's still somebody in that agency that has to approve it, right? It's not being not done by somebody. So at the end of the day, even with approval, even a group of people that have to approve it, even a board of directors, it's still people. And I feel like a lot of that gets lost in the mix with what's going on today because nobody realizes it. Even right now, if you go on LinkedIn, think about LinkedIn. Every other ad is how to redo your resume if you're looking for a job and how AI is going to do it. And then if you go to an application, you know what it says on the bottom? Read the fine print of a job application. It says AI will be reviewing your resume. So think about that. So it basically, they're telling you to use AI to make it because AI is going to review it. So when you go to AI, say, make sure you type and go, please fix my resume and make sure you like it because you're going to be looking at it. I mean, how does that even make sense? When does that walk away? And then ultimately, there's a person on the other side of the screen going, oh, wow, AI didn't like it. So let me send this self-generated email to tell the client that AI didn't like. Like, there's still somebody doing all of that. So that's the bridge for MAD. The bridge for MAD is making sure that everybody remembers it's still people dealing with people. I don't care what happens in the middle. It's Mac selling something to Maggie. It might take 37 steps to get there. It might be 6 computers, 15 emails, and everything else. But somewhere in there, there's a conversation where Mac is selling to Maggie. And as long as we can show Mac the importance of that conversation, then we've done our job. And that's how I bridge the industries. Because everybody's involved with everybody somehow, some way. I know that sounds like the simplest way to put it, but I think evolution has shown us that we've exponentially gotten so far away. Anybody have young kids still? They all sit in the car, you go for a ride, and they're all texting each other in the car and nobody talks. You got 6 kids in a car, and they're all texting each other because they don't want to talk to each other. What is that? Like, what are we raising phones or computers? No, we're not even raising people anymore. So, I mean, maybe I'm old-fashioned. I'm sorry if I am. But I still like to teach my sons to give a firm handshake instead of a soft handshake. Make sure you look somebody in the eye. Open the door for the lady. Say thank you. Say please. All the things that get lost nowadays. All those things. I believe that's what builds trust. That's my speech.